Students, today topic is continuation of the types of rocks. Broadly, rocks are classified into three types. One is igneous rocks, the second one is sedimentary rocks, the third one is metamorphic rocks. In my previous classes, already I told you or I explained you types of igneous rocks. Now we are going to discuss the types of sediment rocks. Types of sediment rocks. Sediment rocks form due to the erosion of the igneous rocks and metamorphic rocks. That eroded material transported by the external forces up to some distance deposited at suitable places. The external forces are five: rivers, glaciers, wind system in the desert areas, underground water, sea waves, and so forth. The sedimentary rocks mainly classified into three types. One is mechanical sedimentary rocks, the second one is organic sedimentary rocks, the third one is chemical sedimentary rocks. The mechanical sedimentary rocks form with the composition of sand particles, clay material, pebbles, conglomerates, and so forth material. That material carried by the rivers. Again, mechanical sedimentary rocks are classified into three divisions. One is arenaceous sediment rocks, the second one is argillaceous sediment rocks, the third one is rudiceous sediment rocks. First one is arenaceous sediment rocks. The rocks which form only with the sand particles are called arenaceous sediment rocks. Arenaceous sediment rocks are stratified sedimentary rocks. Example, sandstones. The second one is argillaceous sedimentary rocks. The rocks which form only with the clay material are called argillaceous sedimentary rocks. Example, shale. Third one is rudiceous sediment rocks. The rocks which form only with pebbles, conglomerates are called rudiceous sediment rocks or conglomerate rocks. Example, conglomerate stones. The major second division is in sedimentary rocks, organic sediment rocks. The organic sediment rocks form with the weathered vegetation material and dead organic material composition. Again, organic sedimentary rocks classified into two types. One is carboniferous sediment rocks, the second one is calcareous sedimentary rocks. The rocks which form with the weathered vegetation are called carboniferous sedimentary rocks. Examples, coal. And the rocks which form only with the dead organic materials are called calcareous sedimentary rocks. Example, Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea, Great Barrier Reef in Australian continent. The third one is chemical sediment rocks. We can see chemical sediment rocks in the coastal areas. These rocks form with the evaporation of sea water and salt water, marine, etc. Example, rock salt. It is a brief classification of sediment rocks. More than 70% sedimentary rocks distribute in the world. Particularly, we can see sediment rocks where the oceans, seas, water, and so forth areas and so forth regions. The characteristics of the sediment rocks. These are the soft rocks when compared with the other rocks. The sediment rocks have fossils. Fossils are nothing but a dead organic material prints. Sediment rocks also consist of some minerals and metals. Now we are going to discuss the metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks form due to the physical and chemical weathering of the igneous rocks and sediment rocks. For example, coal is the sediment rock. In course of time or in the long run or after some time, coal is converted into the graphite. Graphite is the sediment. Graphite is the metamorphic rock. If graphite stage is excess, then it is converted to the diamond. Diamond is the metamorphic rock. Limestones are the sedimentary rocks. In course of time or in the long run or after some time, the limestones are converted into the marbles. Marbles are the metamorphic rocks. Sandstones are the sedimentary rocks. In course of time or in the long run after some time, the sandstones are also converted into the metamorphic rocks that are called quartzites. Quartzites are the metamorphic rocks. Due to weathering and disintegration of the sediment rocks are converted into the metamorphic. That type of rocks are called schist. If the igneous rocks are converted into the metamorphic rocks, then that are called gneisses. For example, Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats are the metamorphic rocks. Himalayan mountains are the sediment rocks. Deccan Plateau is the igneous rocks. This is a brief classification of types of rocks and important characteristics of the metamorphic rocks. These are the soft rocks, then the igneous, and hard rocks, then the sediment rocks. The metamorphic rocks also have some minerals and metals. Thank you, students. This is a brief classification of types of rocks.